Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pronounce Faster.
Hi, I'm Lucy, and I have a question for you.
A question.
Yes. What language are you thinking in right now?
That's interesting.
Are you thinking in English or your native language?
Most students are thinking in their native language, then translating to English.
Exactly. And that's what we're going to change today.
Today, we're teaching you how to train your brain,
Train your brain to think in English.
not translate. Think.
This will change everything.
I'm Tom. And let's begin.
So, Tom, what do most beginner students do when they speak English?
I see this every single day.
What do they do?
They think in their native language first.
Then they translate in their head.
Exactly. Word by word.
Then they speak.
And this process is slow.
Very slow.
It's also exhausting.
Your brain is working so hard.
Think, translate, speak. Think, translate, speak.
Over and over.
No wonder students get tired.
So, what's the solution?
Stop translating?
Stop?
Yes. Think directly in English.
Ah, no translation step.
Your brain creates English thoughts automatically.
Like native speakers.
Exactly. Native speakers don't translate.
They just think in English naturally.
And you can learn to do this too.
Really?
Really, anyone can train their brain to do this.
Let me give you an analogy.
Please.
Translation is like using a dictionary for every single word.
That's slow.
Yes, but thinking in English is like already knowing the word.
You just use it.
Which is faster.
Obviously thinking directly.
That's what we're teaching today.
Now, let's talk about how your brain learns.
This is fascinating.
Your brain learns through repetition.
Repetition.
Yes. Every time you practice something, you make it stronger.
Like what?
Think of making a path through a forest.
A path?
The first time you walk through, it's difficult.
Lots of branches and obstacles.
You have to think about every step.
It's slow.
But the second time,
A little easier.
the 10th time,
Much easier.
the 100th time,
It's automatic, a clear path.
that's exactly how your brain learns English.
The first time you use a phrase, you have to think hard.
But after many times, it becomes automatic.
Your brain creates highways,
Highways for English.
and the more you practice, the stronger these highways become.
This is called neuroplasticity.
Neuro what?
Neuroplasticity, it means your brain can change and adapt.
At any age.
At any age.
So everyone listening can train their brain.
Everyone, your age doesn't matter.
Your brain is powerful.
Now let's learn how to train it.
Technique number 1.
What is it?
Surround yourself with English.
Surround yourself.
Yes, create English immersion at home.
But Lucy, Immersion means going to an English-speaking country.
Not anymore.
What do you mean?
You can create immersion at home.
How?
Watch TV shows in English.
Movies in English.
Listen to English music.
Listen to English podcasts like this one.
Set your phone to English.
Your computer to English.
Follow English social media accounts.
Read simple English articles.
Play games in English.
Surround yourself with English every day.
But wait, how does this train your brain?
Great question.
Tell us.
Your brain absorbs patterns, even when you're not actively studying.
Really?
Yes, when you hear the same phrases many times.
Your brain starts recognizing them.
You're not memorizing,
Your brain is learning naturally.
just like a baby learns their first language.
No textbooks.
Just exposure.
This is amazing.
I have a student named Carlos.
What did he do?
He changed everything to English for 30 days.
Everything.
His phone, his Netflix, his music, everything.
And what happened?
After 30 days, English phrases started coming out naturally.
Without thinking.
Without thinking, his brain absorbed them.
That's the power of immersion.
Now, technique number 2.
This is the most powerful one.
What is it?
Think simple thoughts in English throughout your day.
Throughout the day?
Yes, all day long.
What kind of thoughts?
Start with very simple present tense thoughts.
Like what?
I'm hungry.
That's it?
That's it. Simple.
What else?
The weather is nice.
I need coffee.
This is comfortable.
Simple thoughts.
Use English all day long in your mind.
Let me give you examples throughout a day.
Good idea.
In the morning, I'm waking up.
Time to get ready.
While eating, this is delicious.
I'm full.
While walking, where am I going?
It's cold outside.
While working, this is difficult.
I'm tired.
In the evening, I'm going home.
I need to rest.
All simple thoughts.
In English.
You can also narrate your actions.
Narrate.
Yes, describe what you're doing.
I'm making coffee.
I'm opening the door.
I'm sitting down.
I'm checking my phone.
This is brilliant.
And here's the progression.
Progression.
Week 1. Just simple thoughts. I'm hungry.
Week 2.
Short sentences. I'm going to work.
Week 3.
Add feelings. I feel happy today.
Month 2.
More complex thoughts.
Month 3.
Natural inner dialogue in English.
This trains your brain so fast.
The key is don't translate.
Create the thought directly in English.
Use words you already know.
Keep it simple.
Do this constantly.
Your brain will rewire itself.
Now, technique number 3.
Create English-only time blocks.
Time blocks.
Yes, Dedicated English thinking time.
How does this work?
Start with 10 minutes per day.
Just 10 minutes?
Just 10 minutes.
During these 10 minutes, only think in English.
Only speak to yourself in English.
Force your brain into English mode.
What should you do during this time?
Talk to yourself about your day.
Describe objects around you.
Practice conversations in your head.
Think about your plans in English.
Express opinions to yourself.
Ask and answer questions.
All in English.
Let me give you a schedule.
Please.
Week 1, 10 minutes daily.
Week 2, 15 minutes daily.
Week 3, 20 minutes daily.
Month 2, 30 minutes daily.
Month 3, multiple blocks throughout the day.
This builds your brain's stamina.
Stamina?
Yes, your brain gets stronger at staying in English mode.
Like training at the gym.
Exactly.
Start small, build gradually.
Now let me share some quick additional tips.
Yes, please.
Label objects in your home with English words.
Put sticky notes everywhere.
Use English for mental math.
Count in English.
1, 2, 3, not your native numbers.
Name colours you see in English.
Blue sky, green tree, red car.
Practice automatic responses.
Hello. Thank you. You're welcome.
Don't think, just respond.
Keep an English-only journal.
Even simple sentences.
Today I went to work. I was happy.
And here's a special tip.
What?
Think in English before bed.
Before bed?
Yes, your brain processes information during sleep.
So thinking in English before sleep helps?
It really does.
I love that.
I have a student named Maria.
Tell us.
She started thinking in English for just 5 minutes before bed each night.
Only 5 minutes?
Only 5 minutes.
What happened?
After 2 months, English thoughts started appearing naturally during her day.
Without trying?
Without trying, her brain was trained.
That's incredible.
Now, let's talk about timeline.
Timeline?
Yes, when will students see results?
This is important.
Week 1 to 2. It feels forced and difficult.
Your brain is getting used to it.
Week 3 to 4. It starts feeling slightly easier.
You notice small improvements.
Month 2. Some automatic English thoughts appear.
Without trying.
Month 3. Noticeably more natural.
English starts feeling normal.
Month 6. Thinking in English becomes default for many situations.
But remember, everyone is different.
Some people progress faster.
Some slower.
The important thing is consistency.
Practice every single day.
Even just a little bit.
Small daily practice compounds over time.
Your brain will change.
Let's review everything.
Great idea.
First, stop translating.
Think directly in English.
Your brain learns through repetition.
Like making a path through a forest.
Technique 1. Surround yourself with English.
Watch shows, listen to music, change your phone.
Create immersion at home.
Technique 2. Think simple thoughts in English all day.
Narrate your actions.
Use simple present tense.
Technique 3. Create English-only time blocks.
Start with 10 minutes daily.
Build up gradually.
Additional tips. Label objects. Count in English. Journal in English.
Think in English before bed.
Be patient with yourself.
Brain training takes time.
But it absolutely works.
Your brain is incredibly powerful.
It can learn to think in English.
You don't need to be special or gifted.
You just need consistent practice.
Start today with one technique.
Maybe surround yourself with more English.
Or think simple thoughts in English for 5 minutes.
Just start.
Your brain will begin to change.
Day by day, it gets easier.
And one day, you'll realize.
You're thinking in English without trying.
That's when you know your brain is trained.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Great job today, everyone.
You learned how your brain works.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Now go train your brain.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.